Hey, this is Heather at Fairview Garden Center, and you've probably heard of the term, sow now, reap later. Nowhere is that more true than in landscaping in the fall. We recommend planting in the fall because plants, trees and shrubs, and even perennials start to put more energy into their root growth in the fall and winter months. That gives them plenty of time to get established, and then in the spring they're ready to flush out, grow, bloom, and you can enjoy them when the weather warms up. So today we're going to tell you a little bit about our favorite trees, shrubs, and perennials to plant in your landscape in the fall.
Hi, this is Fairview Garden Center, Pam in Perennials. I would like to talk to you about some plants that you can plant now and get some spring blooms after the winter is gone. Number 1, creeping phlox. This looks kind of boring right now. This is a nice evergreen. It's a spreading ground cover, but when spring comes along, it turns into a carpet of flowers. We usually carry about 10 to 12 different colors to choose from. The foliage is deer resistant, and once it's established, it's incredibly drought tolerant. So this is an excellent spreader. It looks great at the edges of walls where it hangs over. So when it's in bloom, it looks like paint just dripping over the edge of the wall. Beautiful color. Another plant that's similar to the creeping phlox is candy tuft. It's a different plant but behaves in exactly the same way. It's also an evergreen. It's also a spreading ground cover. In this case, it's covered with a carpet of white flowers in the spring. So this is another one you might want to consider. This particular variety here is called Fire Witch. There are countless colors and varieties of dianthus. So once again, you plant this now, the payoff in spring and summer will be awesome. And finally, once again, I'd like to talk about these coral bells, or heuchera, the botanical name. These are purchased for their foliage because they are evergreen, or in this case, ever orange, ever purple, evergreen throughout the year. However, in the spring, they bloom with tall flower spikes up to here, with flowers that kind of go with the plant itself. There's a whole bunch of little tiny flowers at the tops of these flower spikes that butterflies and hummingbirds will love to pay a visit to. And they do last for a good 6 to 7 weeks before you snip them off and then once again enjoy your nice tidy mound of coral bell foliage. So plant these guys now in the fall, and in the spring you'll be happy you did.
Hey there, I'm Delynn, Tree and Shrub Manager at Fairview Garden Center. Spring is when we get our most phone calls about specific plants that everybody's seeing blooming, and that's what they want in their garden. So I'm suggesting instead you get to start this fall, purchase them while we have them. The most phone calls I get in the spring are red buds, dogwoods, and the ornamental cherries. We carry lots of different varieties, and we have weepers and uprights. So please come now and see what we've got, and then you will be able to get those in the spring instead of asking if I have them in. We also carry lots of azaleas. The encores are very popular. There's 30-something varieties. We carry most of them. We also carry bloomathons and then your traditional spring-only blooming ones. We also carry the Carolina jessamine, which is that beautiful yellow flowers that you see in the spring that comes out as soon as we get that first blast of warm weather. So please come see us now and you will be better prepared for the spring. Thank you.
Thanks for watching our videos. We hope we shared some useful information for you. We encourage you to come by and see us at Fairview Garden Center, or visit us at fairviewgardencenter.com for hours of operation, contact information, and lots of more tips and tricks on our website. We are located off of Holly Springs Road between 1010 and Penny Road. We've been here for over 45 years. We'll be here for many more, and we're here to help you with all of your gardening needs.